Hello friends. Today I will tell you what you need to do with seedlings when planting them in the open ground or a greenhouse, so that the seedlings quickly took root well, grew strong and did not hurt. And at the end of the season you will get a bountiful harvest. You just need to adhere to the rules that I will tell you about, as well as make a fertilizer that everyone can cook. Well, let's take it in order. First you need to make holes for planting seedlings. I do them with a screw nozzle on a drill. These are sold in garden stores or on the internet. Choose a drill according to the diameter of your pot. Well, now actually about the fertilizer that needs to be put into the hole before planting seedlings. If you apply manure or mineral fertilizers, the root system will quickly die. That's why I bring in organic matter that I harvest myself. And this is dried banana peel. It is an excellent fertilizer with phosphorus and potassium content. Phosphorus is an element without which a full-fledged photosynthesis process is impossible. It also promotes the formation of new shoots, as well as it is necessary to protect plants from adverse conditions, from such as frosts or sudden temperature changes. And potassium, in turn, is needed to improve the quality of the crop and combat plant diseases. It activates enzymes and retains moisture, which is very important for plants in drought. And in each hole you need to add 1 full handful of dried banana peel, and I will immediately answer your question. And you can put fresh banana peel in the hole. My answer is no. And now I'll explain everything. Fresh peel, unlike dried, will rot, not burn, which in turn will attract ants or other insects to your garden, and they will destroy your plants. Then, after adding, mix the peel with the soil and fill the hole with water, immersing the tomato seedling on the first cotyledon leaves. Thus, we will provoke the formation of additional roots on the seedling and get rapid growth. And the main thing is that when planting seedlings in this way, I do not hoe tomatoes. Now, you know all the rules that will help you get a quick survival of seedlings. Seedlings will grow strong. Adult bushes will delight you with an abundant harvest. And if you still have questions, just ask them in the comments. If the information in this video was useful to you, be sure to like it and share it with your friends. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.